Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete items within the Merge Mansion game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Merge Mansion game on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already by using the gear icon at the top right corner and then using the connect feature. Once you are logged into your account, you can continue playing from right where you left off. Now, if you wish to delete certain items that are within the game within your inventory, then tap on the home icon in order to enter the game mode. Now, within the items that you don't want, you have the options to sell them instead of throwing or deleting them. So tap on the item that you don't wish to use, and then you will see the sell option at the top right corner. You can tap on the sell button and you will get some coins for selling this item. You can do this with all of the items that you don't need, and in this way, you can get rid of the various items that you don't want while also getting some in-game currency. And there you have it. That is how you can delete or sell your items within the Merge Mansion game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.